Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome back to Machine Shop Diaries. Today we're taking a closer look of the laser welder. For Quadrant, it is an essential tool we use to precisely seal and weld titanium containment cans housing rotors and couplings, achieving a long-lasting durability and environmental isolation. Laser welders allow us to join metals with great precision, using a focused beam of light, which melts the material in a controlled and localized area. This is crucial for our titanium containment cans, where any distortion or error could compromise the performance of the rotor and the coupling assemblies inside. This machine carefully controls the beam intensity, focus, and travel speed, ensuring a consistent and airtight weld. This process preserves the integrity of cans while maintaining the high-strength characteristics of titanium. This system is key for producing sealed, high-performance containment cans that protect rotor and the couplings from environment exposure. Each weld ensures the assembly to operate safely and reliably under demanding conditions, supporting the quality standard that Quadrant is known for. Thanks for watching Machine Shop Diaries. At Quadrant, precision welding is more than a process. It is a guarantee of reliability and performance. I'm Daniel. We'll see you next time in the shop.